In this video, I'm going to show you how you can launch your own online business and make $900 or more in a day selling digital products that you don't even have to create yourself, working just 2 hours around your schedule, and you get to keep 100% of the profits because this is not MLM, this is not affiliate marketing, so there's no uplines, there's no downlines, there's no middleman. That's how we earn 100% profit because this is high ticket marketing with master resale rights, which allows us to earn 100% profit per sale. So, before I show you how this business works, let's just talk about the basic ways to make money. There's basically two ways to make money, okay? So, if you're a normal person, the first way to make money is by getting a job, which means you're working for other people, you're building other people's businesses, you're building other people's dreams, and you're making other people rich. So, if you have an employee mindset, if you want to make more money as an employee, what you're going to do is you're probably going to go back to college to figure out ways to make more money, to learn some skills so you make more money, to try to get a better paying job, or you're going to get like 2 to 3 jobs, which means you're going to be exchanging more time for money, and you're probably not going to be having a lot of fun doing that, right? You're selling your time for money. It's not the best way to make money, and it's a lot of stress because I know I've worked jobs before. Okay, so the second way to make money is to be an entrepreneur, which means you're building your own business, you're building your own dreams, and you can build multiple streams of income. You can work whenever you want to work. You don't have to answer to a boss, and your business and your systems are automated, so you can make money while you're sleeping or doing the things that you love. And then whatever money you make with your business, you can invest it back into your business and other assets so you can grow your wealth over time. Okay. So that's basically the two ways to make money. So if you're working like 40 plus hours a week and you still don't have enough time or money to do the things you want to do, like travel, spend time with your family, and then just live a life of freedom, then you should probably start a side hustle. You should probably start a side business. And then once you become successful with your side business, then you're free. Okay. You have a plan for freedom. So here's the process. Here's how this business works, right? So step number one, you need to promote a product. You need to promote something that's in high demand, something that people are searching for, something that people like, and something that is proven to sell. Okay. So we give you 4 different digital products that you can learn from, and then you can resell for 100% profit. These are digital products in the e-learning industry, so it's going to teach you everything about digital marketing, how to build an online business, how to scale that business to 6 to 7 figures or more, how to build multiple streams of income, how to build your brand, how to grow your social media following, how to monetize your social media accounts, attraction marketing, how to create your own products. That's the kind of stuff that you're going to learn from these products, okay? So step number two, you got to automate your business. You don't need any tech skills. You don't need a following. You don't need experience because we give you a pre-built automated system and you can set up this system in a day. Okay. It took me like a few hours. So basically, someone goes to your link. Okay. They're going to put their email in. So you're building your email list. And then once they're inside of your automations, they can buy from you at any time. Okay. They're going to go through your sales funnel. They're going to watch videos. We give you 30 emails to start off with. So these emails are being sent out to people on autopilot every single day because the fortune's in the follow-up. People generally don't buy until they've been exposed to something at least 7 to 10 times. Okay. So that's how you make money in your sleep with this system. We call it the freedom machine. Step number three, you need a way for people to discover your business. You need customers. If your business doesn't have customers, you're not going to make any money, right? So how do people discover you? It's marketing. You're promoting your business. You're advertising your business. Okay. So you create 3 pieces of content a day. This is our strategy, 2 hour workday. You create 3 pieces of content a day. Most of us create videos. So it can be short videos. If you want to use YouTube, it can be long videos. It can be both. I do a variety of things. Okay. 3 pieces of content a day. Let's say you're doing short videos. It should only take you like 20 to 30 minutes to create 3 videos and post it to social media. Now you can do talking videos. You can do like faceless videos. You can put words on the screen, text overlay, B-roll videos with trending audio. Those are some examples of the kind of content that you can create. You can check out my page and you can see what kind of content that I create to promote this business. So, and then you can also go live, right? Go live on social media to attract customers. And then just go through training because the more you learn, the more you earn. We have so much training in our community. We have so much training in the program. We have a daily training from a millionaire to help you with your strategy, to help you with your mindset, to help you with creating content. Every single day you get a millionaire training, okay? And then we have live interactive mentoring from 6 and 7 figure income earners inside of our community. So you have everything you need to be successful. This is an all-in-one business in a box. So that's how you make money with this business or any online business, really. product, automation, and then you just need to promote your business. Okay. So if you want to learn more or if you want to get started, just go here, sevenfiguremonk.com. There's a link in the description. And I'm going to send you a freedom formula blueprint. The same PDF has created over 100 six-figure income earners inside of our community. So you can get that for free and check that out. Okay. So now I'm going to show you what the business looks like. If you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. So let me just share my screen real quick. Here's me. Here's my YouTube page. We also have a training. We teach you how to build all different kinds of social media pages, right? We teach you how, we have a YouTube training, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Okay, so let's go here. Now, this is what your automated system is going to look like. It's going to look something like this. Okay, this is called a capture page. So people go to your link and they put their email in. You're building your email list. And then it's going to take them here. They're going to watch this video. This video is doing the selling for you. Okay, then we have another video and testimonials that we send out in people's emails. So these videos are doing the selling for you. These videos are answering like 99% of people's questions for you. Okay. And then ultimately, all these videos and everything, it takes people to your sales page or your website. Now, this is where people can buy the products. Okay. So we have these 4 different digital products that you can learn from and then resell. So you can earn 100, 300, 600, and $900 over and over again. Okay. So someone will come to your website and they'll go to one of the sales buttons. Okay. They'll check out, they'll purchase one of the products. And as soon as they purchase a product, you get paid instantly 100% profit through PayPal, Stripe, Square. We show you how to connect your payment processor to this website. Okay. So you get to use this whole system. This system is pre-built for you. Okay. It was created for you. You can also do some editing. You can edit the pages any way you like. If you want to change the whole, color scheme, if you want to change the words, you can change whatever you want to change, but don't change too much because we can't tell like we can't really give you advice like if you changed everything because we can only, you know, compare the stats to what's working. Okay. So if you change everything, then you're on your own. But you can change things if you want. $29 million in sales in 10 months, guys. We teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. Okay, you become a certified reseller of these programs. So there's a certification training that you go through. It takes about 2 hours. I'm just showing you what the website looks like. There's testimonials on the website. See my pictures here. You just got to put your picture in. Plus, you can put your little bio in. Okay, that's what you can do here. Go to ChatGPT. I'll help you create a bio. Right. So this is what your website's going to look like. Here's me hanging out with Michelle. She's one of the millionaire mentors in our community. She also created this program. She's made like $7 million in 2.5 years with digital marketing. So I've met her many times because we have live events. We also have live events. So you can join the live events, hang out with people, make new friends. That's what's nice about this business because you're building a business, but you're also part of a community. Okay. So 100, 300, 600, or 900. People go to your website, they purchase one of the products, you get paid. There's also payment plans available for you and your customers if you want to get started with this business. Okay. So then you get all these bonuses, like we teach you how to create your own community, Canva crash course. We teach you how to create your own digital products, faceless marketing. You get all these bonuses too. So, and there's frequently asked questions on the website as well. I'm just showing you what the website looks like. So these pages are what's making us money while we're sleeping or doing anything. Okay. I've had many $900 days. I've had $1,800 days, and it all comes through this system, right? It all comes through there. So if you want to get started with this business, you purchase one of the programs, one of these, and then you pay $39 for your website, and then you're going to have immediate access. So if you purchase a $900 product, you get all of the products, which means you get 4 income streams. You can resell every product. And then you have all the information plus the bonus millionaire mentoring that we do every week. Okay. But you can start at a lower level and you can always upgrade later. So once you purchase your product, your program, it's going to take you, okay? It's going to take you inside here, right? It'll take you here, and this is where your products are. The certification training is here, okay? Certification training, understanding the legacy builders ecosystem, leveraging your automated system, discovery method, what is digital marketing, what is attraction marketing. So you just watch the little videos. Okay, that's what these are. Video modules, training, information, education. What is personal brand? What is storytelling marketing? The 2-hour workday, ethical marketing, compliance. This is all the stuff you're going to learn, the basics of digital marketing and how to promote this business. Then you got your bonuses here, your digital product ideas, faceless marketing. Okay. Here's your bonuses. And then once you get started, you want to go to your program and you just follow the steps. Click here, get started, follow the steps. One of the first things you got to do is set up your website. It's going to look something like this, okay? So your website is going to look like this. This is an automated business, guys. So you got to set up your website. You got to go through the training, okay? Go to GoDaddy, purchase a domain, purchase your domain and get a professional email address at GoDaddy, okay? We show you how to do this. Then you just got to set up your payment gateways like PayPal, Stripe, Square. You just connect it to your system. That's how you're going to receive your payments. And then you just connect your domain to your system. Basically, you just watch the videos. You're doing a lot of copying and pasting, okay? And then once you're finished, you're going to have your system set up, which is going to look something like this, okay? And then your system is ready to go. Congratulations, you set up your business. Now you're ready to receive payments. Now you're ready to start making money, right? And let me show you inside of our community. Okay. Now here's our community. And once you're inside of the community, you can introduce yourself up here. Okay. If you have questions, you can just type it in up here. Now we have mindset mentoring happening in 46 hours. Check all the pin posts at the top. See what's going on with see what's happening in the community. Now let's just go to the win section, right? Let's see if people are making money. Well, Melanie is $1,800 in 48 hours, guys. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. 1,848 hours. Crazy. That's what you can do with this business. Okay. Pretty amazing, huh? It's really good. It's really good. Whoa. What? Okay. That's funny. All right. So $200 in one day. Yes. Boom. I finally made $200 in literally 1 hour. Well, not even working today. This is amazing. Yeah, it is because the business is automated. 3,900 in less than a month for Medigi. I don't know how to pronounce their name, but they're from South Africa. So we have a global business, so you can do this business from any part of the world and you get paid in American dollars. So if you're living outside of America, you get paid in American dollars. And if you're American, you can get customers from any part of the world and you can do this business while you're traveling. Another $100 for her. I don't even know how to pronounce her name, so I'm not even going to try. Wendy, she made $1,500 while glamping. Grandma camping, I guess. That's what glamping is. Okay. First sale on YouTube today for Jessica. She got her first sale on YouTube. Very nice, very nice. $900 offline playing with grandbabies. I used to pray for this. So blessed. Thank you, God. Kimberly, $900 ding. Just went grocery shopping and met my husband for lunch. He's a police officer, so we don't get the free time often. Then got the ding. All glory to God, a winning Monday. Boom. Okay. So you can see there's 30 posts per page. We have 29,000 pages of wins. That's a lot of wins. Then inside of the classroom, you get more training. Okay. More training inside of the classroom. Recorded trainings are inside of the classroom. Okay. And then the calendar shows you where we have the live events, live mentoring calls. Oh, yeah, there's also, I forgot to tell you, after you set up your business, you want to go through this training. Okay, this training is a launch kit for your business. It's going to show you how to make your first sale in 7 days. Okay. And then you go through the rest of the training on your time, right? Marketing and social media, mastering storytelling, how to craft a message, how to build recurring income, affiliate marketing partnerships, email marketing and list building, how to use ChatGPT to 10x your productivity, how to create your own products or programs or courses, okay, how to build your own community, doing what you love, all that stuff is there, right? All that. So you just go through all the training on your time. The training is the product, okay? So I showed you that. I showed you the community. Yeah, I showed you everything. So if you want to get started, like I said, you just purchase one of these programs and then you just pay $39 for your website and there's zero monthly fees. Okay. So just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link is in the description, right? And yeah, thanks for watching. So like I said, all you got to do is get started, set up your business, and then just start posting content on social media, right? Like, let me just show you for example, like when I say post content, let me show you my YouTube channel real quick so you can see. Now, I do videos. I do long videos over 10 minutes. Okay. I do short videos, and most of these videos are just for my business, right? Short video, Jolanda, right? And yeah, just talking video, talking video, talking video. Like a picture, I took a selfie of me. I put words on the screen speaking to my perfect customer. Okay, again, again, talking video, talking video. And here's a B-roll video where I'm just doing some kind of activity and I'm putting words on the screen. Again, speaking to my perfect customer, creating curiosity about the business. Okay. And that's it. That's basically how do you create content. Okay. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video and make sure to share this video if you know someone who's working 40 plus hours a week. They're stressed out financially, they have a lack of time, they have a lack of money, they want to make money online, but they don't know what to do. Then make sure you share this video with them and make sure you subscribe to the channel if you got some value here. And then otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. God bless. And just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link's in the description if you want to get started with this business or if you just want to learn more. Okay. So see you in the next video. Have a great day. God bless.